Hi, welcome to Eclectibles. Today we've got a box, and this box is it contains two mystery boxes from a company called SolarFly. And the deal with the mystery boxes is that it's a random assortment of things. You will get a guarantee of one hit or a factory sealed box plus a promo card or an insert set and a full base set of cards. Now we're dealing with strictly non-sports here, so you can see it's a pretty small box. Non-sports cards traditionally by nature a little bit smaller than your typical sports cards. So first time I've ordered from this company, we'll pop this thing open and see what we get, okay? Pretty well packaged, so give them kudos for that. There's box number one, and box number two. Alright, so I'll call this one first. So, dig down deep here and see what we have. It looks like we have a James Bond base set. Probably number 1 through 66. Looks like it's the Rittenhouse Bond set. So pretty cool there. And here's probably our hits. So, little bag. It looks like the hits are, first, we have a costume card from Falling Skies. It's numbered on the back. Colin Cunningham as John Pope. Looks like a jacket. It's pretty cool there. And our other item is, looks like it's from Game of Thrones, so that's pretty cool. So let's flip this over and see a promo card. Alright, so that is box number one. So we had our base set, we had our hit, and the promo card. So we'll move these out of the way and move on to number two. So just my personal observation here, probably not going to get a sealed box, but one random thing here is, I believe one in every 10 boxes, you have the potential to get a coupon that you can cash in for a later purchase. And so we will go with the base set, and it looks like Castle. This is from Cryptozoic, 1 through 72. Again, if you're a fan of that show, it's pretty cool. And as far as hits go, it looks like we have a James Bond promo card. And last but not least, a Falling Skies autograph of Colin Cunningham. So if you are a fan of Colin Cunningham, you made out like a bandit here with both a costume and an autograph card. Alright, so thanks for watching, and hope to be back soon with some more box breaks. Thanks.